Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about what potentially made this big giant fall apart. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and hit that post notification bell. Let's get started. Welcome back, guys. This neighborhood witnessed the sudden fall of a giant live oak, which was a surprising event given the calm, sunny conditions. This live oak had a structural flaw, a codominant stem with bark inclusions, which is common, but it's still a risky feature in mature trees. If you want to know more about codominant stems, look at the link that's going to appear in the upper right-hand corner right now. This video, I want to talk to you about structural pruning. Through structural pruning, we can remove potential weak points, like codominant stems, and help redistribute the tree's weight more evenly, significantly reducing the risk of potential sudden failures. In this case of this live oak, regular structural pruning might have identified and mitigated the risk that were posed by its codominant structure. So guys, take this event as a stark reminder of the importance of regular tree maintenance, particularly structural pruning and preventing such unexpected natural occurrences. For more insights into tree care, keep watching the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the links down below. Join my Patreon if you want to support the channel. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.